In a lean kit, a lone camper faces the dawn chill, proving that minimalist gear sharpens every outdoor moment. The daily challenge of camping life becomes a game of patience as small compromises build surprising resilience and daily humor. Fun blooms when you trade excess for creativity, learning to purify water with sunlight and cook on a simple ember. Respect for nature shines through practical tips like leave no trace, fire safety, and brief, thoughtful wildlife pauses. The video invites viewers to embrace tiny footprints, savor quiet moments, and transform tough nights into lasting love for the wild and lifelong curiosity.